every single level here, okay? How do you generate it? How do you capture it? How do you convert it? And then, like you said, the 33 tuck system, which is the whole database. Okay, but you got to use autoresponder technology and some sort of CRM system, or just an autoresponder technology, and build your campaigns up front. All you're trying to do with all of this stuff, whether it's you or anybody else, is two things, and this is what everybody's missing. You just want to grow and nurture your list. That's all you're trying to do.
That's right.
And people are missing this fact. They're spending hours on these social media platforms that have no results. So all I focus on, yeah, the technology is phenomenal that I'm going to show you, but I focus on getting the results. We have two tools that I can do it, and I'm going to show you that do it instantaneously. Instantaneously lead gen, and we wrap this whole formula of auto technology, autoresponders, and how to basically get high conversion rates. And organically is the same, but you're using all his product and you're using all the social media stuff, whatever flavor you want to, whether it's Facebook or anything else. It doesn't matter. I can show you models. I've spent $8 grand getting privately coached from the top network MLM marketing people in the world. I sat on a webinar last night at 2 a.m. in the morning with Australia and another one from UK, people that are mastered Facebook and have mastered Twitter. And they are blowing people away with cutting edge technologies that nobody here in the US has a freaking clue about. They're clueless. Facebook alone, I could show an agent how to use Facebook with no website, no Twitter, no nothing, and crush it with Facebook only. Use it as a microblog, a blog, to build an email list server. There's its own strategy in and of itself. You can do AdWords on Craigslist that are cheaper than AdWords on Google. Okay? Nobody knows this stuff. So I'm reading, I'm paying, I'm on webinars, I'm cutting edge. So let me show you the instant lead gen side because I know he's itching for me.
No,
you know I gotta do my.
I know you.
I gotta look smart.
No, I love that.
I gotta keep Scott right now focused on the promised time limits that I promised him to.
Remember, I can talk to you as what your needs are to recruit agents.
Right.
Okay, I can talk to the branch manager and the real estate agent of how do I put food on people's table. That's what I do. Okay.
Via technology.
Well, the
Yeah,
post
think of-
theory. The post theory is this, and this is what I teach. Is basically you start with the people first. Okay. Then you start with your objectives. Then you start with your strategy. Then you start with the technology. That if you start with technology, it's a mistake. Everybody starts with technology, and they go into this thing. And I'm on Facebook and I'm on Twitter, and I got visual shows. What do I do now? They have no value add that they're adding to their client. They don't understand their client's needs. They don't understand how to solve their problems. They don't know how to sell themselves. So let's take a step back.
JD, you know what's really interesting you said that? That's exactly the order I did it in.
Yeah.
And not with what you have on there? I built a plan, went around the technology that I've added into this
That's just a
CE
piece of
plan
it.
is the bottom of it because I need to, after I got it all developed, I got to figure out how it works for the morons, if I want to call them that. I got to remember who my clients are and what they're capable of doing or not doing. Because if the plan requires somebody to do something that they're not competent on doing and don't have the follow through to do, then the plan doesn't work.
That's why we have to do it for everybody. That's what we basically become your virtual marketing department.
That's what we're trying to become.
And all he wants is loans. That's all he wants. He wants loans.
Oh, I like what you're saying. Okay.